Hey guys, what's up? It's Alexandria here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these super cute curly puffs. So to get started, I just wet my hair. This is an old dusty crusty wash and go that's like 5 days old. So I definitely need to refresh it quite a bit. So I just spray my head all over and then I start to make my part. And before I started parting my hair, I just applied some Jamaican Black castor oil because my hair is super dry around the edges and around the perimeter when I was doing this hairstyle. So I wanted to add some moisture there. Also, I have on this blue shirt because I was getting my shirt underneath super wet when I was spraying my hair. So I just put this on top to keep my shirt from getting soaked. So I just part off one side of the hair and I'm going to tie it up in a scrunchie to get it out of the way so that I can work on the other side of the hair. Like I said, my edges for whatever reason felt super dry, so I also added some Camille Rose almond jade twisting butter just to give it some moisture around the edges. Now to start making the ponytail, all I do is take some Ecostyler gel and place it all around the perimeter of my hair. I like to do this. I don't like to run it through the ends of my hair, mainly because this is an old wash and go, so I already have pretty good curl definition and I don't want to plaster my hair with gel. So I put it all along the perimeter, in the back, and then along the side of the part to make sure I have a clean part. To get a nice smooth ponytail, first I go in with the hard side of a boar bristle brush, which you guys saw me doing earlier, and then I take that smaller brush just to give me a more fine and smooth finish, and then I just tie this side of my hair up in a scrunchie in a high ponytail, and then I just let the curls fall and start working on the other side of my hair. So now I just get started on the other side. I follow the same exact steps. So I'm just going to spray it a little bit because it's been a little while since I moisturized my hair originally. Again, I don't know what was going on with my edges this video, but they were just like so dry. So I'm going back and reapplying some moisture just like I did on the other side. Then I take my Ecostyler gel, same process, putting it all around the perimeter. The key to getting it really smooth is definitely all in the boar bristle brush. You want to make sure you use the hard side of the brush. So I'm just slicking my hair up into a high pony. Same process as before, but I kind of let this part show a little while longer so you guys can get an idea of how I create my ponytail. And then I do the same process and go in with the smaller brush to get a smooth finish. So once I've got both my ponytails, I go in and redefine the curls on this side. They have kind of fallen quite a bit, so I go in with my Uncle Funky's daughter's curl magic. That really works really well on my hair to get my curls re-stimulated and more defined. So I just spray my hair with some water, run that through, and then here I just start playing around with the ponytails to help give it more of a poofed look. One thing I like to do is kind of wrap my hair around in kind of a loose bun that helps it look more like two poof balls instead of long curly ponytails, and that's really the look that I'm going for. So that I just kind of let my hair set like this, and then I go in and do the part that takes literally forever, which is doing the edges. And there is literally like so few products that actually work on helping me create my baby hairs and laying down my edges, and I find that the Style Factor Edge Booster is like one of the only products that actually stays with my hair. Like not even the Ecostyler gel will help me get like the perfect swoop edges that I need. So it always takes me a long periodically time to do my edges.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
So here we go with the edges. I mean, literally, it should not be this hard to lay down your edges. I also like to have my little curls taken down on the side, so I do pull out a little piece so I can have this little curly piece on my edges, hanging down by my ears. I think that's super cute, so I always like to do that. And then once I've got my edges laid, I just go in with my scarf. This time I laid my scarf down for about like, I would say 15 to 20 minutes. That's usually how long I like to have my scarf on because that's how it really gets set. It usually takes me about 15 to 20 minutes for my hair to be like laid. So a lot of times in the morning, I'll just do this in right as I get out of the shower so that I can have time while I'm getting dressed to have my hair laying down. Sometimes I'll even ride all the way to work with my scarf on and then take it off when I get to work. So anyway, here's the final look. I think it's so cute. I love this hairstyle. The edges really set it off. I think it's so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment, and like down below. And I'll see you in my next video.